Chief Minister Nongthom Bambiren, his Council of Ministers and MLAs hold State Cabinet meeting at Ukhrul District Headquarters. ABSPA not discussed. Residents of 24 villages stage protest demonstrations at various locations against government's failure to repair the deplorable road leading to Maphogdam. Local residents staged sit-in at Langthabal Kuno Machin today, strongly condemning construction of food park at 44 YTB farmland. An ineffective implementation of the Manipur Conservation of Paddyland and Wetland Act 2014 shrinks states' paddylands and wetlands. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Tuesday Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari bringing you the top stories. First up, Chief Minister Nongthom Bambiren chaired the first state cabinet meeting after the recent 17th Lok Sabha election at Ukhrul District Headquarters this afternoon. 26 agenda out of the total 27 were discussed in the cabinet meet today. Chief Minister N. Biren, his Council of Ministers and MLAs arrived at the district headquarters early in the day. Upon his arrival, the Chief Minister went straight into discussions on various developmental undertakings of Ukhrul and Kamjong district at the DRDA Hall of Ukhrul Mini Secretariat. Top government officials of both the districts, community leaders, representatives of civil society organizations, church leaders, village chiefs, and villagers attended the meet. Respective DCs of the two districts submitted reports on various developmental undertakings of the two districts to the Chief Minister. After going through the report, Chief Minister Biren instructed them to expedite the works without compromising on quality maintenance. He further instructed them to form a committee comprising of district ADC members, MLAs of the two districts, village chiefs, and government officials to monitor the works. The public meeting, which also discussed on holding of Shiroi Lily Festival 2019, was followed by the state cabinet meeting in the same hall in the afternoon. The meeting resolved to extend service tenure of VDF personnel by 1 year and that of home guards till 60 years of age. The cabinet meeting also resolved to enhance the condition of government schools. However, it failed to discuss on the controversial ABSPA. Maphogdam Road Ching Tam Action Committee, a conglomerate of 24 villages, today staged sit-ins at 5 different places, condemning the inordinate delay in repairing the road leading to Mapitel Dam despite the assurance given by the Chief Minister Nongthom Bambiren while inaugurating Moirang Purel PHC in June last year. Protest meets were held at Moirang Purel Puramakong, Tumukhong Lamkai, Molkon, Malnom and Nga Kashi today. Construction of 10 km stretch of the road from Nga Kashi to Maphogdam ceased in February this year. The road, which was earlier under the Irrigation and Flood Control Department, IFCD, is now the Public Works Department, PWD. Speaking to media, member of Rishofung Village Authority, Shingwi Siru, stated that the road connects Lamlai, Andro, Saikot and Fungyar constituencies. He expressed disappointment that none from the constituencies made efforts to repair the road. Taking part in the protest, member of Maphogdam area Maira Paibi Lup, Shiny Won Zazo and member of Moirang Purel Maira Paibi Apun Balup, Syria Moirang Them condemned that authorities concerned have failed to repair the road, which has remained deplorable for over 20 years. They warned of intense agitation if the road is not repaired at the earliest.
aduna lambi si bu nungai ragadi khungang du chawkhat kani adudi as a whole khungang khuting maktu kendra khuting maktu chawkhat ladi Manipur chawkhat le ana haigdobni Imphal heart city adu khakta chawkhat laga adu gi remote oiba khungang sing chawkhat radi madu Manipur chawkhat re haibasi masi machin thibani aduna athuba matamda hoje akoina demand dawribsi mari lainaba hoje minister puri ba singsina initiative lawbi raga raja gi awabadu kok hanbiu nadradi action horani hayengde sina taw khairani lambi si
lamma chakhat ka haribadi lambi amadi sorok phaba mathau tai lambi amadi sorok phangani haiduna akhogi mikhal mangda sakhiba wasak singadu ngasidi mikhal mai pakla matungda pangtukpidi haiduna akhogi lebak miyamnadi warauna hori impact news tamak yu hengalone paromjari ba saikhom ruben morangpurel.
Residents around 44 Yaithibi farmland staged a protest demonstration at Langthabal Kunau Machin today against construction of a proposed food park at Yaithibi farmland. Speaking to media, one protester, Th Yaimbi, stated that people of the area approved the previous government's decision to construct a national sports university at 44 Yaithibi farmland. But the sports university has been already constructed at a different location. She asserted that farmers and villagers of the area strongly condemned the present government's decision to construct a food park at 44 Yaithibi farmland. Th Yambi maintained that projects not related to the sports university cannot be taken up in the area. Kuki Students Organization KSO warned of 24-hour statewide ban starting from the midnight of June 6 if the 10 student leaders of KSO Gunpi block arrested in connection with setting ablaze of St. Joseph Higher Secondary School Suknu are not released at the earliest. Speaking to media at KSO General Headquarters in Kuki in Imphal today, KSO Secretary Information David L. Gangte termed the police arrest of 10 students as unjust. He asserted that no member of KSO Gunpi block is involved in the incident. He said that the decision to call the ban was taken during a meeting of KSO Central Executive Council following failure of the relevant authority to concede to their reiterated demand to release the arrested students. David warned of intense agitation if authority concerned failed to release them.
In our meeting, resolved to demand the unconditional release of the 10 executives who are held under judicial custody. So our main demand is to secure the unconditional release of the executives and to express our disapproval of the continued detention of the KSO Gungpi block executives. The KSO will resolve to call a statewide ban on Friday, that is 7 June 2009, from midnight 6 June to midnight of 7 June. If the detainees are not released unconditionally, even then, a sustained agitation will follow until their release.
Manipur People's Party condemned the alleged verbal abuse of President of MPP Chanura Marup, Kurajam Thasana, by independent candidate of the recent 17th Lok Sabha election, Moirangthem Tondonsana, alias Nongshaba. Speaking to media at MPP office near Polo Ground today, Kurajam Thasana condemned the verbal abuse as demeaning to women's section. She said that legal help will be taken to give befitted punishment to Moirangthem Tondonsana.
Ailingi oiba nupida angangda tang koi haibiyadaba ngangbiyadaba adungba wangangsing isal isada mama mapada thaksi ka sinai da badungba nupi izat khonggaw no beidamakta ailingi mateng laure haraga nupi singi damakta tanbiya hak kaya section kaya india government na piriba makhan makhan gi section da koi chatle haraga akoi wakat koi katkani aduga mabu maram sana aini matengi matungina mabu punishment pi ba haibase akoi sanra marki oina si akoi asengba akoi phirep amata da leminaga leijare.
Umunglai Kanba Punbalub Ukal has resolved to take befitted action against the infamous Lai Harauba performance at Moirang by some Manipuri film artists in Kabui community's traditional attires. Ukal also expressed solidarity to any action initiated by All Zelengrong Art and Cultural Organization Azako and Zalengrong Students Organization, who have strongly condemned the incident as defiling their community. Speaking exclusively to Impact News at Ukal office in Palace compound today, Ukal convener Mutum Maniton Elias Nganba asserted that traditional attires of every community have its own unique significance rooted to one's ancestries. He expressed disappointment that some Manipuri film artists have defiled the community's culture and tradition. He said Ukal will meet with relevant authorities of Film Forum to take necessary actions against the miscreants.
Furup amagi kasam ka se karimta thoksada bida karimta hanna tuni yeng da bida tawning ba mayama mana thokpa pangtaw da toksilakpui mong ama leiri se masi yamna miyam marakta thoktana miyamgi miyengbam oiraba film industry da leiriba film artist na di masi tawum thokte makhoi di yam section bam thokpani adu makhoi na sangjan dana ngauction phejin bagi mong ama marangi lai harau bam da tawgi base masi gi damakta all zelayong an cultural organization azako aduga makhoi zelayong students union na ka nungai ta phongdor ise masi yamna summi Masiamna maram sai migi leijaba harau kumai singa se mathang magha onthoga tawba ya de phije na sini leiteng na sini ka kayum khandabida toksilriba mayam jingse masigi mathakta sap chawa action lama lawdri bawba ukal na ju masigi tongan ba step ama dum lawna na ba khoi sem saba loire.
Meanwhile, Ukal has also resolved to hold discussions with Moirang Ubudhau Thangjing Seba Mandal, who are later organized Lai Harauba events without following accepted norms for years now. Speaking exclusively to Impact News, Ukal convener Mutum Maniton expressed disappointment that many unwanted events coincided Lai Harauba festival at Moirang.
Tauba yadaba leiriba lai haraubugi leiribase Moirangi namanate Kaksingi namanate Ganglegi namanate Masi Maitei haiba furupse Masigi oiba apunba wafamni maibina lai fauviri haidana Satra haina khangnariba fajeng firal kaji kaloi dogo masu mayama tauroi dogo wada yungdana masi tongan ba masu tongan ba fijing daga yungaga taurise masi kayam kaige haibase seba mandal da koina sahi ani ahungi mamangdagi hairaga laine sukalgi khwaidagi ngamjaba thakta masi wakhal taminana ba hona jagani.
Ramadan Kareem Cum Festival Mela Idul Fitr 2019 is going on successfully at Lilong Haurabi College opposite Tamiyai Junction since May 25th. Jinkham Mamang Development Organization and Core Committee Festival Mela Idul Fitr 2019 jointly organized the shopping center cum festival fair to cater to the needs of Muslim community in the area during Ramadan. A total of 40 stalls are opened at the fair, making available a wide range of food items, clothes and other daily items at reasonable rates. Speaking on the sidelines, sales manager of stalls of the fair, Mohammad Manawir Ali, said that the fair is open from 10 p.m. till dawn. He assured that proper security measures are being undertaken to avoid any untoward incidents. The fair will continue till June 6th. Wan Pukrambam Nabachandra alias Thapa Meitei, aged about 32 years, son of P. Santi Meitei from Sagolmang Mamang Laikai under Pangai Police Station in Imphal East District, is untraceable since 10 a.m. of May 8. He is about 5.3 feet tall with medium build, has oval-shaped face and whitish complexion. The missing person is reported to be suffering from some psychiatric problems. Nabachandra was last seen in a black-colored half pant, green half shirt and a black-color slipper. Whereabouts of the missing person may be informed at the nearest police station. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on exclusive report on the diminishing paddy lands of Manipur due to ineffective implementation of the Manipur Conservation of Paddy Land and Wetland Act 2014. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Tuesday Primetime English News. Paddy lands in the state are diminishing day by day despite implementation of the Manipur Conservation of Paddy Land and Wetland Act 2014 due to negligence of the relevant authorities. Impact News reporter R.C. Mangangcha and video journalist Henry Sapam brings you an exclusive report in this regard.
Agricultural food products of the state are not sufficient to meet the needs of its populace. People of Manipur are still dependent on imported food items for sustainability. Amid the crisis, private companies and firms are encroaching upon diminishing paddy lands of the state.
ꯂꯧꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯁꯤ ꯀꯟꯁꯔꯟ ꯑꯦꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯔꯗꯅ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯁꯥꯖꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯀꯥꯔꯈꯥꯅ ꯁꯥꯖꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯑꯁꯤꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯗꯨꯗ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯊꯧꯑꯣꯡ ꯊꯣꯛꯀꯦ ꯄꯦꯅꯥꯜꯇꯤ ꯄꯤꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯔꯤꯍꯦꯕꯤꯂꯤꯇꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯈꯟꯅꯒꯗꯧꯅꯤ.
The State Assembly passed the Manipur Conservation of Paddy Land and Wetland Act 2014 to conserve paddy lands and to restrict conversion or reclamation thereof in order to promote growth in the agriculture sector of the state. Construction of residential homes or setting up of infrastructures on paddy lands is strictly prohibited under the Act. However, authority concerned fails to take appropriate measures against construction of illegal infrastructures on paddy lands and wetlands till date.
Kuidana yamna chawba khoi tribe haigadra Impal West ki lobuk unauthorized permission yaudana khoi sagalakpa yum karkhana na singba atop makhal ki construction sing mayam sagalib se mase khoi loina ba khoi notice sub tawre.
Even though there is provision under the Act which allows paddy land owners to construct residential buildings on 0.20 acres of land in a panchayat area and 0.10 acres of land in a municipal area, any person who in violation of the Act converts or reclaims any paddy land shall on conviction be punishable with imprisonment of either description for a term not less than 3 years extending up to 5 years and shall also pay fine of not less than 50,000 rupees extending up to 2 lakh rupees as per section 18 of the Act. Not only that, an authorized officer under subsection 1 of the Act who neglects ascribed duty in safeguarding paddy lands shall be deemed to have committed an offence punishable under section 18 of the Act.
Porampat subdivision makhada leibadadi villages khara notice thaba hozare samna hairabada kairang maitai lisang hiden dakhok Lairen Pat Top Dasra Achan Bigai Chingmairong Nongpok Mai Smaina Sumtoduna villages Kayamaruma the identify Tauzari do notice of Thaba Husakre.
Nevertheless, government and relevant departments have failed to nab those individuals who constructed residential houses, fish farms, and other infrastructures on paddy lands and wetlands in violation of the Act till date. Not to forget that even the state police who are responsible for maintaining law and order have also failed to take any measures against the same, leading to a predicament of how the precious paddy lands of the state will ever be safeguarded.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯛ ꯅꯨꯔ ꯍꯁꯟ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯋꯥꯔꯀꯔ ꯃꯁꯥꯃꯛꯅ ꯂꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯍꯤꯡꯒꯣꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯊꯣꯟꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯑꯃꯃꯝꯁꯨ ꯁꯥꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯉꯥꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯗꯁꯨ ꯌꯦꯟꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯤ ꯍꯩꯅꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯅꯕꯤꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ.
It is also debatable whether it is appropriate to accord punishment under the Manipur Conservation of Paddy Land and Wetland Act 2014 to homeless paddy land owners who construct residential homes on their own paddy lands or to those individuals who set up infrastructure for carrying out entrepreneurial works on their own agricultural lands in the wake of scarcity of government jobs. It would indeed be prudent to act beforehand to avoid any unwanted consequences later on. It is high time that staffs of the revenue, the settlement, the agriculture departments and other relevant officials take swift actions to save diminishing agricultural lands of the state, failing which state farmlands will cease to exist in near future and the state will remain dependent on outsiders for food forever. This is Joyce Usham for Impact News reporter R.C. Mangangcha and camera person Henry Sapam, Impact News, Imphal.
Socialist Women Association and Young Communist League jointly urged the public and the relevant authority to check the soaring price of rice in the state. Speaking to media at Socialist Students' Union office in Keshampad today, General Secretary of Socialist Women's Association S. Bijayanti stated that increasing price of food grains is similar to scarcity of food. Stating that price of food grains have increased to 50 rupees per kg, she claimed that subsidies rice provided at 3 rupees per kg by government is being sold at 32 rupees per kg in the market. Bijayanti appealed to probe the matter and further appealed to authority concerned to ease the various agricultural related plights facing farmers of the state.
Huji ching ji aduki mati maman wangkhatle lupa ahum da ching yenjaraga tarchu bazar da di ching lupa ahum piri basina lupa kuntra ni thoi de phange aduga maman sigi matang da chu sarkar na chapchaba miyang changbiraga sigi maman se karamba mong de hingal ibeno haibasi mu sarkar na changjima pami aduga longmi singdana huji gi har gi oiro huji ji sing nong marang kana churokpagi tanja oiragadabasi thayai nera leiriba chidu ising gi matang bu oiro khudimo singje longmi singda khudong jaba phangan gadab khudimo singje government na support auragadi marang kaina product gi puthopa ngamgani na khali maram aduna government na longmi singda adugi mating panghani.
Rice grains were distributed to Annapurna card holders under National Social Assistance Program at District Social Welfare Office in Kakching Municipal Council Complex today. Beneficiaries under the scheme are given 10 kg of food grains per month free of cost. The Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India launched Annapurna scheme with effect from 1st April 2000 with an aim to provide food security to meet the requirement of those senior citizens who, though eligible, have remained uncovered under the National Old Age Pension Scheme. One-day outreach workshop on climate change making Faying a model carbon-positive eco-village was held at the conference hall of Institute of Cooperative Management ICS in Lamphel today. Speaking in the event organized by ICS under the aegis of the State Directorate of Environment, eminent Professor Dr. N. Mohendro called upon everyone to be concerned about protecting the environment like parents care for their children. He cautioned the attendees on the negative consequences of climate change. During the tactical session of the program, Deputy Director of the Directorate of Environment, Dr. T. Brajakumar lamented that residents of Faying have shown less interest in the efforts of self-help groups of Faying for converting Faying into a model carbon-positive eco-village. He encouraged the SHGs to raise awareness on the same.
ai cha ki dam ta kari to ke khan ge bunga ma di kari to sige de prithvi mata ki dam ta kari to sige khan ma yaw ra ai de to te da khale aduna ne ba ngasi ko na wari nai hai ba su to te hai ta ba mi su to te mla wor su to te pradhan wor su to te da ba ne ba ko ngasi khan ri se ai minute manga phana minute ama phana so cha so ti mo mo masin sa so ho ra sangi ba nu se ku pa mi ka pi ne adu masle yum sa bi ni minda tar hai was be producing the Usung Yatani Lucine. I side of the I give you side of the Susita Salaway. Can we say Mamma Kunures Sibe? Nasi Oliver among Sigima say, Magi Mokosia painted Mundus, the in the Magi of the I saw them Sasso, one of them to say, Bibi the Motor.
Center for Study of Social Exclusion and Inclusive Policy and Department of Library and Information Sciences of Manipur University jointly held one-day national workshop on the theme Plagiarism, its Detection and Avoidance Beyond Ethics and Integrity at the Court Hall of Manipur University today. Speaking in the event, Professor of the Economics Department of Manipur University, Thiam Bharod, stated that the workshop is of vital importance for the upcoming youths of the state. He asserted that it is imperative for research scholars to be aware of plagiarism.
Masiki workshop si yamna maru oina khanjai maramdi mamangai matamdadi plagiarism haibasi khangamde lairamde aduga thesis ama iba matamda amadagi copy tauba amada hapsanba amasi kamaina dictate tauni haibagi turn it into lairamdaba ano ba makhalgi technology tholakpani dangasi di khoigi turn it in haiba software si lairabanina thesis ama submit tauramdaida magi thesis si software turn it in thajalaga thesis si de copy tauba saruna kyano masagi original se kyano haibasi khangdu amatungda khoina sagi magi phd thesis submit tauba yadurimni.
Ahead of tomorrow's World Environment Day observance, students and teachers of Bhairodan Hindi Primary School in Thangal Bazar planted tree saplings in the school campus today. Two-day awareness program on afforestation was also held in the school as a part of World Environment Day observance. Scientists of Manipur Pollution Control Board, CKH Tomba, Member Secretary of District Implementation and Monitoring Committee, Imphal West, Dr. Himananda, Headmistress of Bhairodan Maxwell Hindi Primary School, K.H. Sunita and many people took part in the event.
Maruina koina nauriba angang sing da grassroots level dagi hariba ucha thabasina ekoina pitribi malem sida piriba kanaba sing ase khanganba loinana ekoina ucha sina sina mapung marai phara kanda masina ekoida piriba kanaba mayamadu ni maramdi ekoina upambi haibese pokpadagi na siba phawda ekoina upambi gi kanaba se dum phangi mangi mangjaba ambo laite pitribi sidaida hongaiba climate ase kanbang amaroi habe pandam du dani ekoina ngasi World Environment Day gi nong sakhalaga ekoina skun da punna ekoi khusana rakana uthabagi thormase pangthok chabani.
Manipuri music video Khoida Jai was conferred upon the Best Music Video Award of the SKG International Film Festival SIFF 2019 held at Ahmedabad in Gujarat from May 29 till June 2nd. The music video is directed by Rojit Chongtham, story and production by Joychan Moirangthem. Singer Pusparani Huidrom backed the Best Female Singer SIFF 2019, while Binoranjan Oinam backed the Best Lyrics SIFF 2019. Rhythm Thiam was conferred the Best Music Director SIFF 2019 and Danu B. Kangjam alias Danu backed the Best Actress SIFF 2019. Congress Party worker Dr. S. Manauton presented food items to Muslim inhabitants of Yangthang, Tarahai and Palak areas on the occasion of Eid al-Fitr. He wished for peace, stronger brotherhood ties among all communities and prosperities in the state. He also urged everyone to unite for bringing development in Manipur.
Imaibel sing Halaman Marupang, Amadi Manipur, Kundam, Tongan, Tongan, Puruki, Kudimak, Nasigi, It Festival, Yorupagi Yamna, saying about Numichi Lak Pagaloina, Yaipaminava, Sakot Minava, Amadi Nunkisanana, King Minava, Yamna Nuksiba, Idam, Masia Masiadana, Agimaki Gap.
Governor Dr. Najma Haptul extended heartiest greetings to people of Manipur, especially the Muslim brethren on the auspicious and joyous occasion of Eid al-Fitr. The governor wished that the festival will bring victory of good over evil and underscores the spirit of harmony and friendship amongst communities. Chief Minister Nongthom Biren also greeted the people of Manipur, especially the Muslim brethren, on the auspicious and joyous occasion of Eid al-Fitr. He wished that the auspicious festival will erhel peace and harmony in the state devoid of crimes. Information and Public Relations Minister Thongam Biswajit also conveyed heartiest greetings to Muslim community of the state on the joyous occasion of Eid al-Fitr, which falls on June 5th. He wished for peace, brotherhood and prosperity in the state. Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit and Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization also greeted Muslim community of the state on the auspicious occasion of Eid al-Fitr. Inspector General Assam Rifles South Major General K.P. Singh, YSM, in a press release greeted the people of Manipur, especially the Muslim community, on the auspicious occasion of Eid al-Fitr, a wish for peace, brotherhood and happiness in the entire state of Manipur. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthomba Miren, his Council of Ministers and MLAs hold state cabinet meeting at Ukhrul district headquarters. APSPA not discussed. Residents of 24 villages stage protest demonstration at various locations against government's failure to repair the deplorable road leading to Maphok Dam. Local residents stage sit-in at Langtabal Khunou Machin today, strongly condemning construction of food park at 44 Yaithibi farmland. An ineffective implementation of the Manipur Conservation of Paddyland and Wetland Act 2014 strings states paddylands and wetlands.